It's a glad welcome we bring to you, filled with desires, hopes, and dreams we all share. A cheerful evening to all the dignitaries and the viewers. At this moment, we feel great to welcome you as for the final year project seminar on the topic of IoT-based smart parking system. Before we start the presentation, we would like to thank our faculty members to guide us well and support us completing the project successfully even in this pandemic situation. There might be a question, why did we choose this topic? A major problem in day-to-day life is parking of vehicle, especially the car parking at an appropriate place. And this issue indirectly leads to traffic congestion. Our project presents the basic concept of using server or cloud-based smart parking service in smart cities as an important application of the Internet of Things idea. This system can also be accessible through a mobile app or through the web page provided and can be used to monitor or find the empty slots in the area. Smart parking is a good example for a common citizen of how the Internet of Things will be effectively and efficiently used in our daily living environment to provide different services to different users. Any citizen may use his mobile device or a computer having internet access to the smart city application from anywhere in the world to find a free parking spot in the city and get to know which parking spot is still available. It provides efficient car parking management through remote parking spot localization and fast car retrieval. Presently, the car parking system is based on reservation basis, but this system has a drawback in terms of time and space. There is a lot of potential with this Internet of Things when it comes to have big social and economic benefits of third world countries. Less development regions will also need to create policies, educate people for relevant technical skills, and generate readiness requirements to be able to take advantage of its IoT's potential. For further insights on the topic, I would like to call Priyanka Syria to propose to us on design and simulation of this project.
Okay, hello everyone. I am Priyanka Siria, and now we are going to see the development and design of our project. So this is our main schematic diagram required for IoT-based smart parking system, in which we have used the LCD display, ultrasonic and IR sensor, servo motor, uh, Arduino Uno, and Node MCU. For making this diagram, we have used the Proteus software. So here, the ultrasonic sensor are placed at the entry and the exit of parking area. With the help of servo motor, we have made the barrier. And the 5 IR sensors are placed in each slot for car. And LCD display is at the main gate. And we have also made the coding which are required to run the system. Next. Now this one is the PCB design which help us to mount the component in the systematic way, and it also help us to design the 3D model in the software. So this is the 3D view of our PCB. Next. Uh, so this is our simulation. Since the Node MCU is not working in any software, so we have designed the model without the Node MCU to see the working in the software with the help of another code. So there is the 5 space available in the parking area before car is sensed by the sensor. And if the car is sensed by the sensor, the servo motor rotates with the angle of 90 degrees and the half space is decreased by 1. So this is the screen of cloud technology for the real-time information. Here you can see that the entry and the exit of each slot so that we get the time at which car is placed and exit. Since this project helps us to optimize the parking, reduces traffic, and save time spending looking for the parking spaces. It saves fuel, money, space, and time, and many more benefits. And also inform about the availability of parking spaces in our mobile application. This project helps to develop the smart city as well. And the main objective is to develop a user-friendly and adaptable system that can be implemented in the parking lot. It is also lead the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan given by the Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
At last, we would like to express our sincere gratitude to the electrical department and faculties for their valuable comments that led to such sustainable improvements on an earlier version of this manuscript. Thank you.
Thank you.